Welcome to Thea&tan, Travel and Fun. Dito naman yung mga baby. Say hi. Birthday special po Thea&tan. Hey, Tantan, pa-picture kayo dito Tantan, oh. Eat, bow and chill. Let's go guys. Pa-picture kayo doon, no? Guys, ang bowling center nila. Wow. Yung bowling. Yeah, you like to play? You like to play? Let's go guys. Here, huh? Here. Happy? Hi guys, we are the Pingos and welcome to Thea&tan Travel Park for our birthday special from Thea. Nandito kami ngayon sa Bowling City from City Center from Prince Sultan. Ayan guys, ang bowling city nila. Hey Tata, let's go. Yan, si Dado. You like lipstick?
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe?
Hey, sabi mo, it's my birthday.
What you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Okay, go. Go, go, go.
Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you.